Capricorn, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is action. It's time to spring into action. Put some work behind all of that great intellect that you have. It's time to put some bite behind the bark, some walk behind that talk, and start building more on the foundation of what you've been working on, because it's time to spring into action. You're so close to finishing the race and stepping into your manifestations, your blessings and breakthroughs. But we just need you to put on that fine tuning in that work, and it'll all come to reality. My divine action incites love and harmony. I'm aware of my thoughts and I'm driven by positive forces. I listen to my heart, my desire to manifest light, transform tests into growth, challenging the opportunity, fear into love, and I become a way stronger being. Therefore, I am prepared for way bigger blessings. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.